Minister of Defense Premiership elections Ivan Juncer, baptized and best known as Janez Juncer, is a Slovenian politician who is currently serving as Prime Minister of Slovenia, a position he had previously also held from 2004 to 2008. And from 2012 to 2013. Juncer has led the Slovenian Democratic Party, which has emerged as the preeminent Slovenian right-wing party. Since 1993, Juncer served as Minister of Defense from 1990 to 1994, a post he had also held during the Slovenian War of Independence. Juncer served as Prime Minister from 2004 to 2008, and again became Prime Minister in 2012, following an early election in December 2011. On the 27th of February 2013, Juncer's second government was ousted in a vote of non-confidence. In June 2013, Juncer was sentenced to 2 years in prison on corruption charges. The ruling was confirmed by Slovenia's higher court in April 2014. But after the Constitutional Court of Slovenia ordered a retrial for procedural reasons, the case later expired. Despite his party winning a plurality of votes in the 2018 Slovenian parliamentary election, Juncer was initially passed over as a prime minister candidate as most parties refused to join a Juncer-led government because of Juncer's extremist views. After spending years in opposition, Juncer was selected as Prime Minister designate in March 2020 following the resignation of Prime Minister Marjan Šarec. A communist in his youth, Juncer's political stance has drifted rightward during the course of his political career. From a liberal pro-democracy dissident under communist rule, to a social democrat politician, and to a right-wing hardliner, Juncer has more recently been described as a far-right leader by The Independent. And by Foreign Policy, his style of politics has been compared to Donald Trump. He has been dubbed a MAGA-style populist by NPR, the Slovenian Trump by Der Spiegel, and Mini Trump by Deutsche Welle. Following the 2020 United States presidential election, Juncer declared Trump the winner, and proceeded to tweet a series of conspiracy theories about the election. Juncer is a close ally of Hungary's Prime Minister Viktor Orban. Juncer was born to a Roman Catholic working-class family of Groselje. He was called Janez since childhood. His father was a member of the Slovene Home Guard from Dobrova near Ljubljana who had escaped communist retaliation due to his young age. Juncer graduated from the Faculty of Sociology, Political Science, and Journalism of the University of Ljubljana with a degree in Defense Studies in 1982, and became employed in the Defense Secretariat of the Socialist Republic of Slovenia. In 1975, aged 17, Juncer joined the League of Communists, and became one of the leaders of its youth wing. He became president of the Committee for Basic People's Defense and Social Self-Protection of the League of the Socialist Youth of Slovenia. Juncer was expelled from the party in 1983 after breaking with Yugoslav military orthodoxy by critiquing the system of people's self-defense from a radical left perspective. Juncer appealed his ouster, but his appeal was denied. Despite the ejection, Juncer touted his work in the party in a resume while applying for a job as newspaper editor in 1985. In 1983, Juncer wrote the first of his dissident articles about the nature of the Yugoslav People's Army. In the late 1980s, as Slovenia was introducing democratic reforms and gradually lifting restrictions on freedom of speech, Juncer wrote several articles criticizing the Yugoslav People's Army in Mladina magazine. As a result, his re-election as president of the committee was blocked in 1984. And in 1985 his passport was withdrawn. During this period, Juncer and his associates were held under closer watch by the Yugoslav secret police. Juncer was also barred from gaining employment in any state institution or state-owned company. Between 1985 and 1986, he made over 250 job applications without success despite meeting all qualifications. He was also unable to publish articles. During this period he earned his living writing computer programs and as a chance mountaineering. Guide. Liberalization in the succeeding years allowed him to get work as secretary of the Journal for the Criticism of Science in 1986, and, a year later, to again begin publishing in Mladena. His Mladena articles consisted of critical opinion columns and articles on the topic of democracy and national sovereignty. In the mid-1980s, Juncer was employed in the Slovenian software company Microhit. In the years 1986 and 1987, Juncer founded, together with his friend Igor Omert, his own software company Micro-Ada. He became involved in the pacifist movement and emerged as an important activist in the network of civil society organizations in Slovenia. By the mid-1980s, he was one of the most prominent activists of the Slovenian pacifist movement. Juncer also became active in the nascent environmental movement. In 1987, Juncer was approached by the family of the late politician S.